Welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Are you tired of vacuum cleaners that promise powerful suction but fail the moment they encounter pet hair? What if I told you there is a vacuum that actually spins hair off the brush instead of tangling it up? Here is the thing about most cordless vacuums. They start strong but let you down when you need them most. Pet owners, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You are halfway through cleaning when suddenly the brush bar is wrapped in hair like a Christmas present. You stop, grab scissors and spend 5 minutes untangling the mess. Then there is a suction fade. It starts powerful, but by the time you hit the second room, you're pushing the same dirt around, wondering actually cleaning anything. And don't even get me started on those tiny beans that fill up before you have finished one room. This sound familiar? Well, Dyson said they have cracked the code with the V16 Piston animal, clean with the power of a They this machine promises to end every one of those frustrations with technology that actually thinks ahead of the problem. The key difference, instead of fighting hair tangles, this vacuum prevents them entirely. The all-floor chrome cleaner heads literally spins hair off the brush and straight into the bin. No stopping, no scissors, no frustration. Picture this: you are cleaning and the vacuum head seamlessly glides from your hardwood thick carpet without missing a beat. It automatically knows the surface is on and adjusts accordingly. When you hit the hard floors, boom, a 90-degree field of light reveals dust you never knew existed. But here is the clever part. While you are cleaning, the vacuum is constantly analyzing what it is picking up. The LCD screen shows you real particle counts, actual scientific proof that you are deep cleaning, not just surface cleaning. The hyperdynamic 900-watt motor delivers 315 watts of consistent suction that doesn't fade. Whether you are on minute 1 or minute 70, the power stays the same. So how does this work? The motor uses dynamic cyclones that boost suction automatically when they detect tough messes. Think of it as having a co-pilot that gives you extra power exactly when you need it. The clean compactor bin is genius. It compresses dirt as you clean, fitting 3 times more debris than older models. When you finally empty it, the mechanism wipes itself clean. No dirty hand, no mess. All your tools hid right in the wand. Hair screw tool for upholstery, crevice tool for tight spots, combi tool for versatility. Everything is there when you need it, stored where you won't lose it. This isn't just about specs and technology. It is about getting your time back. No more stopping to untangle brushes. No more going over the same spots, wondering if they are clean. No more emptying tiny bins every few minutes. Pet owners with long-haired cats or dogs, this changes everything. The anti-tangle technology means you can vacuum pet beds, furniture, and carpets without the usual hair wrapping nightmare. The 1.3-liter bin means you can clean your entire home in one go. The 70 minutes run time means even large homes get done in a single session. The wall dock keeps everything charged and organized for the next time. The detachable handheld transforms this into your car vacuum, your stairs vacuum, your furniture vacuum. One machine handles everything. The HEPA filtration capturing microscopic particles and the 2-year guarantee backing everything up. Plus the My Dyson app giving you maintenance reminders and cleaning insights. This isn't just a vacuum, it is a complete cleaning system. The Dyson V16 Piston Animal DS60 combines breakthrough anti-tangle technology with uncompromising power and intelligent design. This product deserves your attention. Thank you.